Apple's biggest event of the year is just around the corner, with the iPhone 17 series set to take center stage. According to Mark Gurman from Bloomberg, the upcoming iPhone 17 series launch could happen on September 9 or September 10, which is consistent with the company's long-standing pattern of doing launches. However, Apple has not yet officially confirmed the launch as of yet. Moreover, since all of the previous iPhone launches have happened in the month of September, it's expected to happen in the same period. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max is likely to come with a major price hike this year, which could be the aftermath of tariffs models. This year, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may feature a horizontal camera module, replacing the vertical setup seen in last year's iPhone 16 series. iPhone 17 Pro Max chipset. Apple is expected to introduce an all-new A19 Pro chip, fabricated with TSMC's next-generation 3nm process. Additionally, along with new processors, the smartphone is also believed to get upgraded to 12 GB of RAM. This will result in the first time for an iPhone to offer 12 GB RAM options. Moreover, the expanded RAM could offer even more smoother Apple Intelligence experience to users. iPhone 17 Pro Max camera. Apple is believed in to provide a brand new 48-megapixel telephoto lens, which might offer up to 8x optical zoom. Additionally, the smartphone manufacturer will also increase the smartphone's main 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The iPhone 17 model could also offer 8K video recording. Moreover, in the front, the selfie camera may also be due for an upgrade and might be getting a 24-megapixel camera. iPhone 17 Pro Max battery and display. With iPhone 17 Pro Max, users can expect an upgraded ceramic shield. Nevertheless, Apple is rumored to introduce a new anti-reflective and scratch-resistant display for the models. As a result, this display could include nano-texture benefits, which can be compared to what we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra model. Lastly, the most important expectation from the iPhone 17, the battery might get an upgrade. It's expected to get a bulkier build due to a bigger battery. Alongside a bigger battery, iOS 26 has also introduced a new adaptive power mode that restricts certain background actions to provide longer battery life. iPhone 17 price. Bloomberg analyst Mark Gurman reports that Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to hit the market between September 8 and September 10, 2025. The iPhone 17 Pro Max could be launched at Rs 1016 4990 in India, 1499 in Dubai. Apple is set to introduce a significant structural change in the iPhone 17 Pro, the repositioning of antennas around the rear camera module. This design choice mirrors the approach used in the Apple Watch Ultra, where antennas are strategically integrated to maximize reception and signal stability. Why move the antennas? Current iPhone models place antennas along the chassis edges, with visible breaks in the frame. For the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple aims to reduce interference from chassis materials and enhance 5G and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. Positioning antennas around the camera module leverages an area less prone to shielding and interference, improving performance in congested environments and ensuring a stable connection on the go. Inspiration from Apple Watch Ultra. The Apple Watch Ultra integrates antennas near structural and functional elements of its chassis, a similar multi-band antenna system around the iPhone 17 Pro's camera module, concealed with a seamless aesthetic design. The radiation pattern defines the spatial distribution of an antenna's electromagnetic energy. In traditional setups, the user's hand and internal metal components can distort this pattern, reducing coverage. By repositioning antennas around the camera module, Apple achieves more uniform main lobe distribution, fewer shadow zones in vertical and diagonal directions, higher efficiency in high-density signal scenarios, such as urban areas or complex indoor environments. Impact on design and performance. The new antenna layout could deliver enhanced radio performance, particularly for 5G millimeter wave and next-generation Wi-Fi, reduced latency for streaming and data transfers, cleaner side frame design with fewer visible breaks, optimized internal space for components like the battery and thermal systems.